Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying support and turning on 3D touch so the device can sense pressure. Once enabled, go to 3D and haptic touch and pick a sensitivity. Lighter feels faster, firmer reduces accidental triggers. Now try pressing an app icon firmly to peek into quick actions or a message to preview content. Practice a few presses to learn the force needed. This builds muscle memory and prevents overpressing that can hide menus or trigger unintended taps. Next, integrate 3D touch into daily app use to speed tasks. You press to peek into emails, links, and photos. This gives a preview without fully switching contexts. Once you see what you need, press a bit deeper to pop into the full item. For home screen shortcuts, a firm press reveals actions like new message or directions. Use these to save taps. Make sure to combine a light initial press for preview, then a controlled deeper press to commit, which keeps interactions efficient and intentional. Finally, finalize your routine by practicing consistent pressure so actions are reliable. If 3D touch feels unresponsive, toggle the setting off and on or restart your iPhone to reset the sensor. Make sure your screen protector isn't too thick. It can dampen pressure sensitivity. If problems persist, recalibrate your muscle memory by repeating presses on known targets and adjusting sensitivity toward light or firm as needed. This fixes most issues and helps you seamlessly finish tasks using 3D touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.